If you're looking to standardize your hiring processes for faster growth, this is the 3-minute guide you've been waiting for. I've tested all the most popular hiring and onboarding tools, and by the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to streamline your hiring flow. And if you want to follow along, I've included an exclusive free trial of my recommended software in the description, just for viewers of my channel. Let's get straight into it. First, start with clarity. Define the exact role you're hiring for. Not just the job title, but responsibilities, KPIs, who they'll report to, and what a successful 90 days looks like. Write this down once and save it as a reusable job role template. Next, centralize your hiring stages. This means every candidate goes through the same 4 to 6 stages: application, screening, initial interview, technical challenge or test, final interview, and offer. No more improvising. Create this once and duplicate it for each role. Then, automate repetitive steps. Use software to auto-send screening questions, book interviews, and score assessments. This saves you hours and ensures candidates are judged on the same criteria every time. When it comes to resumes, ditch the manual review. Use pre-screening filters like years of experience, skills, or certifications to automatically sort applicants. This alone speeds up your pipeline dramatically. For interviews, use a question bank. Create 5 to 10 standardized questions for each role. This keeps things fair, focused, and easy to compare across candidates. Scoring is next. Build a scorecard template where you rate things like communication, problem solving, and culture fit from 1 to 5. Make sure every interviewer fills it out immediately after each session. Now, document everything. Keep your hiring stages, questions, templates, and scorecards in one place, ideally in your hiring software. This is what makes the process repeatable as your team grows. If you're hiring with a team, make sure everyone knows their exact role in the process. Who does the first interview? Who sends the offer? Assign owners to each step. Finally, after each hire, do a quick debrief. What worked? What didn't? Update the templates and refine the process every time. And here's the key takeaway. Growth stalls when hiring is chaotic. But when your process is standardized, you hire faster, better, and more consistently. That's how you scale. Let's do a quick recap. Define each role clearly with KPIs. Set 4 to 6 consistent hiring stages. Automate repetitive tasks like screening and scheduling. Use filters to sort applicants fast. Standardize your interview questions. Use a scoring system to stay objective. Document your process in one place. Assign roles to team members. Refine your process after every hire. If you're serious about standardizing your hiring process for faster growth, I highly recommend taking advantage of the exclusive free trial in the description. It's the tool I use myself and it'll save you a ton of time. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.